Hi guys, I just received an email from our scientific director, Dr. Bruno Ferreira, with all the rules I have in our workshop next month, 15th of May to 18th, 2024 in Casablanca, Morocco. I'm going to be brief because helping with the program, I mess up and at the end, I'm involved in almost everything. As always, I try to bring new lectures that I've never presented at any previous meeting. So if you don't come, you miss out. We start on Wednesday in the beginner's course with coverage value for beginners, a summary of how we use the coverage calculator in our daily practice. We have already 8 years of experience with this tool. On Thursday, in the general session, my first talk will be on FAPD, fibrosing alopecia in a pattern distribution, the new challenge. I will analyze the diagnosis, medical and surgical particularities of this disease to don't fail with these patients. The second lecture will be in the Mega and Giga session section, where I will talk about my strategy for patients who require more than 8,000 grafts. On Friday, we came to the palestra with working below the total donor capacity, arguing how in certain patients we can work out of the limits or exceeding that TDC. In my second talk on Friday, we were talking about the destructive power of the androgens, where I explained my experience in the long-term evolution of my medicated and non-medicated patients. And finally, we finished with repairs in diagnosis and pattern alopecias, UPA or BUPA, patients that underwent surgeries without the needed medical treatment and without diagnosis, with obviously the failure in the recipient and great trauma in the donor area. It seems unbelievable, but this happens today. Finally, and I will finish with that, I will be in the breakfast with experts and in both debates, moderating sessions and finishing on Saturday in the operating room with a pretty screwed up case, but I will tell you that in another video. I'm ready to go. Are you coming? Then see you there. Bye.